right at the top. Let's say we've got a load there. If we instead we just had quite a hammered soil, let's say, and this links to what we were looking at on the fields, which are the legacy of root crops and just being hammered and stuff. Because you've got that stable aggregates, better gluing and stuff like that, we were looking at about 30 or 40% more water holding. If you think about that in terms of a wet spring or after a wet winter, the fact that you can hold more water and still have that workability by having that stable structure, by putting it into the context of like 30% water, either not running off, not going straight to the roots, but not impacting the workability, as in being held in the soil in those small aggregates, you can start looking at it in terms of numbers of benefits in terms of management and stuff like that. So the more mixes you get those better aggregations. That sort of slaty test where you get an aggregate soil, get the crumb structure. Some of those, you'd pop that in water. I do a little petri dish with glass, and if you can see after 2 minutes it's not broken down, then you've got a really good working structure. And you'll find I would bet money on this one quite a lot because it's glued together well, having a lot of that. And where we see just single mixes as well, they're still doing the job, but you just don't get that, almost like that diversity of glues as well. So they glue together, but they're usually not as stable, they tend to slake a bit